Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into how to use Todoist's natural language input for task creation. Start by opening Todoist. Now, click on the Add Task button. This helps us because it's where we begin to input our new task information. Next up, type your task directly into the input field. But here's the magic part. You can use natural language to specify the details of the task. Let me explain why this matters. This unique feature allows Todoist to understand deadlines and other task details just as if you were speaking to a human assistant. For instance, type, "Buy groceries tomorrow at 5 p.m. Todoist understands tomorrow as the due date and 5 p.m. as the reminder time. This saves us time and makes task creation extremely efficient. Now that we've done that, press Enter. Todoist now automatically sets a reminder for your task at the specified time. The reason we do this is to ensure you never miss a task deadline again. Lastly, if you want to assign this task to someone else in your team, just type their email after the task. For example, design new website layout tomorrow at john@email.com. Todoist will send John a notification about the new task you've assigned to him. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist helps you delegate tasks effectively, making team management a breeze. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Todoist's natural language input for task creation. It's as simple as typing out your task in plain English and letting Todoist handle the rest. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.